dragon fruit growing represent the vast number of lesser-known tropical plants. Many of these are exceptionally high in vitamins and nutrients. Others are well adapted to growing in less than
Here's coffee.
the fluted pumpkin with its edible seeds and leaves thrives in the poorest soil conditions of Africa, making it a potential staple for millions of people. The unique-looking dragon fruit is actually a member of the cactus family. Fruits are high in vitamin C, rich in antioxidants, and have a light, sweet taste.
They ate a lot of that? Yep. Dragon fruit. They grow dragon fruit.
As we learn more about these plants, we discover new ways they can help us eat up food. One day, some of these may be as popular as the bananas growing on both sides of the globe. More than 28 million tons of bananas are eaten annually, making it the most popular fruit in the world. An innovative way to increase harvests and protect wild fish populations. Tilapia, bass, and catfish are three popular crops raised by fish farmers around the world. In Asia, tilapia are often raised in rice paddies where the fish waste provides nutrients for the rice. This integrated growing system improves yields and reduces pollution. The American alligator on your right was once an endangered species. Raising alligators on farms has played an important role in decreasing pressure on wild population. Nearly 30% of all fish consumed worldwide is raised on farms, making aquaculture an important part of our efforts to produce a bountiful harvest. Here at the land, we grow about 6,500 pounds of fish each year, many of which are featured in restaurants here at Epcot.
That's a snake. That's a snake. Oh, and those eels.
This greenhouse is full of some of our biggest ideas. Giant pumpkins and winter melons are certainly impressive, but their real importance far exceeds their record-setting size. These super-sized crops represent the best efforts of scientists and farmers to improve plant food. Years of careful selection and crossbreeding results in plants that produce more food, are more resistant to pests, and can even grow in marginal climates. And it doesn't hurt that one 9-pound lemon will make about a gallon of lemonade on a hot summer day. These plants are definitely on their way out. Vertical growing systems like ours increases airflow through the roots, which helps to reduce disease. Diseases and pests are two of the biggest challenges faced by farmers around the world. Innovative growing techniques are just one way to fight these problems. Using beneficial insects to manage pest problems is another technique we use. We're also growing plants using our novel nutrient film system. By recycling water and nutrients, the system can save farmers money and help protect the environment.
Honey, tomatoes.
Here's something you don't see every day. Tomatoes growing on trees. These plants were originally developed by Chinese scientists. Tomato trees live longer and produce many more tomatoes. One of ours lived 16 months and produced over 32,000 tomatoes. Much of the produce you see growing in our greenhouses is served in the restaurants here at the land.
Look at these peppers.
They're bell peppers. Look at the bell peppers.
And bell peppers.
I like that.
The peppers up here?
See peppers. The peppers here.
Yeah.
The future of agriculture includes some high-flying ideas like the ones you see here. We already Now we're trying out aeroponics. Water and nutrients are sprayed directly on the roots of the plants as they fly by. In our lab, scientists from the U.S. Department of Agriculture are working to develop dwarf pear trees. The fruit will be normal sized, but the smaller trees will be easier to grow and harvest. The goal of all these experiments is to discover new ways to better grow crops in even the harshest environments. Who knows? One day, we might even be able to grow food during extended space flights.